1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, finished in Phoenician yellow with black interior. Polished, torque thrust wheels. On classic red lines. Low production, auto on floor, with bench seat and armrest. Two-speed automatic transmission, 289 small block V8.
(1969) Firebird 400 Formula convertible, automatic, wood grain interior, beautiful car.
(1969) Firebird Formula 400 convertible, Dover white, over, windward blue. Has a 400 small block, 400 automatic transmission, Ram Air, with hood tachometer, and SureTrack rear.
Hood tack with the 400. Krager SS wheels.
Goodrich TA on Krager SS wheels.
(1965) Chevy Impala. Can't really see here, but it is a 4-speed. Tap on the floor console. Wooden steering wheel. Deluxe interior. Krager SS. $396.
Perfectly restored in tuxedo black, on Krager SS wheels.
Yeah, he
1965 Chevy Impala, 396 big block with 4-speed.
This is an Opel. It's an Opel GT. Absolutely beautiful. 1971 Mach 1. Let's take a look at this baby.
Zens classic cars. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
The fastback. Obviously, tilt wheel, 4-speed.
Mustang Mach 1 351 with 4-speed and side pipes. Color was listed as springtime yellow.
Beautiful Ford hideaway headlights. The reason I can't give you most of the years on these things, I don't want to be wrong. And they're already leaving the car show. So they removed the tags of the years. This does have an automatic power disc brakes. This thing must ride beautiful. I'm assuming it's a 390 in this vehicle. You can see they added a speaker system. It is a convertible, and nevertheless, it is gorgeous. I'm not sure if these were stock wheels. I absolutely love them. And this would be the back. So it is an XL. That's the only thing it states on here. It's gorgeous.